Little Chinese guy. Oh my god. And earlier I was like, hey, you want me to throw it? Then I see him take it. Oh, that was a nice takeoff. Alright.
Easier to SPV in the wind than it is to...
Yeah, I guess you're right. It's something hot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm going to try it. I'm going to still do it because, I mean, like, there's nothing, I'm not afraid to do it. It's just like, if I'm going to come down, what am I going to hurt? Fucking some soy? Corn? Oh, that is corn. Now, if I FPV at the same time with 5.8, will we be alright?
Probably not.
Okay, so I'll do
Unless we choose a channel for...
Right.